Okay, ChatGPT tells me fried noodles were invented by a certain Mr. Wong. This reminds me, I need to find simple ways to tell my mother-in-law what is ChatGPT. But that's a different story for a different time. While I am sure that Mr. Wong has nothing to do with my family, I am excited to share with you Saloni Wong's version of fried noodles. That's me, Saloni Wong. If this is the first time you're landing on my channel, welcome. In this channel, I share what's for dinner recipes every single week. So if that's your sort of thing, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and don't forget to ring that bell icon so that you're notified when a new recipe goes live. This dish has a magical touch of captivating everyone tasting it, leaving them craving for more. It is said that noodles has the power to bring happiness and fulfill people's deepest desires. In fact, in the Mauritian Chinese community, fried noodles is the main dish during a birthday celebration, synonymous to longevity. On that note, let's chow into it, shall we? And so here we are at the end of passing the recipe from one generation to the world. Let me know in the comments below if there is any Mauritian recipe that you would like me to share. This is my little attempt for the Mauritian fried noodle to remain a cherished delicacy, forever reminding us of the power of food to bring happiness and connect us in the most amazing ways. This is Saloni signing off. See you next week.